Good morning, guys. It is the guys here for Dash Cam Man. We've just stuck in Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser into this BMW E92 this morning. We'll give you a quick demonstration of how this unit works. The unit is immobilised now, so it's currently active. I'll show you how this works in this vehicle. So if we just hit the start button, the vehicle will start as normal. It's automatic on this vehicle, so you see the box is in neutral. If we now take it out of neutral and try and drive the car, bearing in mind we've not popped in a pin at this point, so if we just take it out, you'll see the vehicle just cuts off. At this point the vehicle's immobilised, it will refuse to start until a pin is popped in. So if we try and start the vehicle now, what we'll do is we'll put in the pin this time. Pin, just for demonstration purposes, is the volume button 4 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get a double flash of the engine management light there. Car will start as normal, so it holds its revs, and then what we'll do is take it out from park, it's waiting to drive. You'll see that's in drive there, D for drive, and you're good to go. If you have something similar installed in the vehicle, give us a shout.